Hello and welcome to the video lecture on other data warehouse changes. So as I alluded to in the video lecture on data characteristics, one of the things that people involved in data warehousing become quite familiar with is data changes. The changes that happen due to operational changes. Now we're keeping track of different data for whatever reason. An example might be, a federal regulation changes due to, let's go back to Sarbanes-Oxley. Sarbanes-Oxley has forced a whole host of different industries and companies in those industries to change the way that they store their financial data. So that reporting off of that data is much more consistent. So you can imagine that it's either a federal regulation change, an environmental change, a change in the business, a change in the requirements, change in how the board of directors decides, hey, in order for us to make a better decision, we need to know somebody's ethnicity, for instance, and now we have to start storing ethnicity information on our customers if we can. And then what do you do with missing data as far as ethnicity? What do you do with all the historical data that happens that we're already storing that doesn't have ethnicity information in it? How does that affect our reporting? Just the wide-ranging effects on data changes. So, we can have new descriptive attributes like ethnicity, our new business activity. We may start a new business or a sub-business. For instance, here at Hofstra, the summer camps that we added. All sorts of different things associated with international students after 9/11, all the different information we had to keep track of there. New classes of descriptive attributes. So if, for instance, we decided to add a new column to a table, so we now have a new class of descriptive attribute. Some of our descriptive attributes become more refined. So actually, instead of having more columns, we have less columns, or the opposite. We break an attribute out, or we combine an attribute somewhere along the way. Descriptive data and how our descriptive data are related one to another can affect our data warehouse. And of course, we come across a new source of data, right? Back in the day, everybody started using MySpace, and then that changed. Now everybody's using Facebook. So now we have a new source of data that's out there. Now we have Pinterest, and we have Tumblr, and Flickr, and all these different other sources of data that are out there that we have to keep track of, all of which cause changes to our data warehouse. So always keep in mind that this is iterative. That's why this is a career. This isn't just a job. Most people that get into this, you don't jump from one company to another. You become invaluable to a corporation once you know how to handle data warehouse and handle the changes. So that is the end of my video lecture on other data warehouse changes.